Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to optimize your videos on YouTube using VidIQ. Optimizing your video content is crucial for enhancing its visibility and reach. By carefully selecting and adding relevant keywords, you can ensure that your video reaches the right audience. And here's a simple tutorial to guide you through the process of optimizing your video using a boost feature, which leverages a popularity database to suggest the most effective keywords and trends related to your content. Start by uploading your video as you normally would. Select the video file from your device. Enter a compelling title that captures the essence of your video. Write a descriptive summary in the description box to inform viewers. Add a few initial keywords that closely relate to your video subject matter. Step 2. Activate the boost feature. Once your video and initial metadata is in place, look for the Boost This Video button, usually located towards the bottom of the upload screen. Click this button will initiate an analysis of your provided metadata against a specialized database of keywords. Click Boost This Video button to start the optimization process. The system will analyze your metadata and compare it to the trending ones. A list of optimized keywords and relevant trending topics will be generated and displayed in the same page. After the Boost feature provides you with a list of suggested keywords and trends, it's time to add them to your video, and here's how to do it. Add the most specific keywords related to your video. Click the plus sign next to each suggested keyword. This action will automatically append the keywords to your video's metadata. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. You can check the link of VidIQ in the video's description.